Hey there, welcome to Fish Tales with Tim. Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You old! Ha 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 ha.
So what I'm going to try and do today is see how much free stuff that I can get for my birthday. I have signed up for quite a few apps in the past, so I do have a couple of emails and that kind of thing. But there are quite a few businesses and places where you can get free food and free things on your birthday. And today we're going to check it out. Let's go. Alright, first free thing achieved today. This is from Boost Juice. This is a power plant protein smoothie. It's got bananas, passion fruit, grapes, spinach, even dates in there. Happy birthday to me. Alright, so the next place we're going to try on this birthday mad dash of food and stuff is Subway. Apparently it's Subway, you can get a 6-inch sub for free for your birthday and a drink. Let's go. So apparently you have to make sure that you sign up on the Subway app and you agree to receive emails, and that's when you get a chance to get the free 6-inch sub from what I understand. But the guy here was really nice, and although he didn't give me a free 6-inch sub, he did give me a free cookie. So thanks buddy, good on you. Way to go Subway. Eat fresh. Okay, the next place we're going to check out today on my birthday quest for free food is here at Hungry Jack's here on the Anzac Highway here in Adelaide. It's pretty noisy, so apologies for the crazy background sound. With Hungry Jack's, you actually sign up for an app, you put your details in like your birthday and stuff like that, and they send you out an email which actually gives you the opportunity to get a free Whopper, but you must take it by your birthday. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I just went into Hungry Jack's and I showed them the email I got, and then I clicked on the app, and on the app there was a voucher there waiting for me for my happy birthday burger, and here it is here. Normally it's a Whopper, but they let me change it to a Rebel Whopper, which is the plant-based version, so pretty stoked about that. Today's going well. We are down in West Lakes in Adelaide right now on the next destination on today's birthday mad dash to try to find places where we can get free stuff on your birthday. And the place behind me is called San Churro, and apparently on your birthday you get free churros as long as you're a member and you've signed up through their app. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is probably close to the best thing that we've come across today for free stuff you can get for your birthday. Check out these incredible churros. And we get 2 different kinds of sauces, chocolate and hazelnut, I think it is, to go with it as well. This is going to be delicious. I do have some help with eating this one though. Am's going to help me out. Are you up to the task, Emily?
Definitely.
Okay, right on. This day just keeps getting better. Okay, so we've just smashed our birthday churros. We had 6 of them and they were super duper filling. How are you feeling now, Em?
I thought they were really good, and you saved like $20, so.
That's a deal. This is a good birthday so far. Let's check out the next place.
So we drove about 40 minutes down to Ikea to get Dad his princess birthday cake, and they don't do it. It was a lie, it's all fake.
That's right, we did hear that if you're a member of the Ikea family and you rock up here and you show your proof that you're part of the family, they will give you a princess cake on your birthday. I have had 50 odd birthdays now and I've never once had a princess cake, and today was going to be the day. But Ikea has pulled the rug from underneath me. No princess cake. Apparently they don't do the cakes anymore due to COVID, but they give you a $10 gift voucher for your birthday, which is nice. And I appreciate it, and I'm sure my wife will find out some way how to spend it, but I was really hanging out for a cake.
We wanted the cake.
That's right, no cake. Thank you, Ikea. You've ruined my birthday. Okay, well, after the disappointment of no princess cake from Ikea just before, we've now found this awesome place called Salsas. Salsa does Tex-Mex and Mexican food, and apparently on your birthday, if you've got the app and you show them the app and it has a proof of your birthday on there, you get a free burrito or a free burrito bowl. So let's go check that one out. So we are here at Salsas and this has just been delivered to us. Isn't it fantastic? This is our free burrito bowl. We've gone for the chicken fajita one, and what do you think, Am? Looks pretty good.
I'm really excited for it. It looks great.
Man, I just wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this smells Absolutely amazing. All right, we're at the next destination on today's big birthday search for free stuff. And right now we are at Noodle Box here in Smithfield. And apparently if you download the app and you can show proof of your birthday, you can get a $10 voucher towards a Noodle Box box of noodles, like chicken cashew noodles, like, you know, Mongolian beef. We've got a whole great selection here. So let's cross our fingers and see if we can get some more goodies. Okay, so a little bit of confusion with that one there. You have to sign into the app and obviously do it before the day of your birthday. And they'll actually send you out an email, and that email gives you a $10 credit. But because it was our first time using the app, we were able to get these awesome looking noodles here for half price, okay? So Em's gonna smash her chicken cashew noodles. Talia?
I think so.
Yep, she's gonna smash her chicken cashew noodles really soon. That's still pretty good. Okay, so this is the last place we're gonna try today. See if we can work the birthday hustle here and see if we can get something free. We are here at Subway, and apparently the dealio is if you have the app and it has proof of your birthday and there's a QR code on there, you can get a free 6-inch sub and a small drink for free for your birthday. So here we go. One last time today. Let's see if we can finish it off with an absolute winner. All right, well, what a bonza way to end the day. We've just been in this Subway here. We explained the birthday situation, and we just got this 6-inch turkey sub, and we've got a 600 ml Coca-Cola Zero. The Subway crew here, they were fantastic. Hey, this has been one hell of a great birthday. We've had a lot of fun. We've found heaps of great stuff that you can get for free on your birthday if you're smart, if you download apps and you do things the right way like we've been fortunate enough to today. Hey, thanks for watching the video. We really hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that hope you found it maybe educational and maybe a little bit handy. Maybe you can save some money when it's your birthday. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button too. And until next time, we'll see you later.
See ya.
We're off to eat our Subway. Hey, thanks for watching my channel. Really hope you enjoyed that last video. Why not stick around and check another one? Like, that's a goodie. Actually, that's a pretty good one too. All right, see you later.